सो गाइस वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो एंड इसी के साथ आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं हाउ वी कैन डिप्लॉय आवर प्रोजेक्ट्स टू वर्सल। सो देख सकते हो जैसे कि मेरे यहाँ पे वर्सल का डैशबोर्ड खुला हुआ है। सो इफ यू आल्सो वांट यू कैन ओपन योर वर्सल डैशबोर्ड जस्ट बाय लॉगिंग इन इट विद GitHub. It is prefer to log in it with GitHub. So today I'll be hosting a website and it will be a front-end website. सो आज के लिए फ्रंट एंड वेबसाइट होस्ट करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे। सो आई गाइड यू टू थ्रू द स्टेप्स हाउ वी कैन होस्ट अ फ्रंट एंड वेबसाइट ऑन अ वर्सल. So let's just say we have to host a website. So I will go to add new and you will have to click on the projects. So it will show you all the projects which you have in this GitHub repository. So as you can see, my GitHub repository name is Nikhil26. So I have these projects over there. You can also search the projects which you have there. So let's say we have this Sukanya full stack project. So I'll just try to import it, and it is based on Next.js. Sorry, it is based on Vite. And what I will do is I will just simply click on deploy, and it will take some time, and it will deploy the website. So let's say the deployment has started. So as you can see, the deployment has started, and it will take few minutes, I guess, not much time it will be taking. So as it is trying to install the dependencies and it is trying to deploy the website. Okay guys, so the website has been deployed, and as you can see, if you want to see the website, you have to go to the continue to dashboard, and here you can see all the connect to git repository that has been done. And now what we have to do is we'll click on this domain over here, and once you click it over here, you can see the .vercel.app in your domain URL. And this is the website which I have created, and it is not complete, it is a demo website, and this has been deployed. So now what you can do is you can literally share this link in your portfolio, in your resume, wherever you want to share. As a front-end developer, I am pretty sure a lot of you might be getting asked your project link, live project link. So this is one way to show your live project link, and this is how you can deploy it for free, and it is completely free. I mean, Vercel will give you some custom URL over here, like not custom, it will give its own URL over here, but it is completely free. You can share the link, it will be up to date. And also what happens is here, if you change something in your GitHub, like let's say you change any name or something in your GitHub repository and you push it over there, you don't have to literally do it over here again and again. What you can do is simply this Vercel will automatically detect the changes. It will create a new like merge commit over here, and it will again redeploy your website. So you will see the changes on your website over here as well. So that way you don't have to do it manually. Sometimes people what do is they do it manually. So this was the first part to deploy your website or your GitHub project on Vercel. So now what we'll be doing is I'll show you how you can connect it with your own domain. Let's say you have buy any domain or something. So you want your Vercel project to redirect to that domain which you have buy. So I'll give you example over here. So let's say I have already hostingbir over here. So I have already bought this domain. This is the btechguy.in. So I have bought this domain over here, and as you can see, it is active, and I have bought this. So now I want is that I have a project in my website, and I want the Vercel project to redirect to the btechguy.in. So let's say what we can do is we have to go over here, and this is the project which I want to connect it over there. Okay, so I'll go to domain over here. So as you can see, there are no domain which have been added yet to this website. So I'll just simply click on add existing, and as you can see, you can just copy your domain name from here, and you can paste it over there. So you will have to select this, then production, and now you have to click to save. So what will it do? It will create a production, and it will create a configuration, like first the production, then the URL 307 which will be connected to your main domain. Okay, so there will be two domains that will be getting connected. So as you can see, so I'll show you as okay, it was already connected, so it doesn't show me the options, but I'll show you again over here. So let's say we have this the Btech. guy dot app dot com, let's say. Okay, so we have this thebetaguy.com over here, and I click it. So I don't have this domain yet, so I'm just showing you because I've already connected this one, so it didn't give me the option where I can show you how you can do the configuration. So what you have to do it now, you will go to the edit. Now what is there? Redirect. Okay, so as you can see, all your domains will be here. So the betaguy.com is here. I'll be clicking on this. Now what you will see, you will get an option over here, add a present DNS, and from there you can see the DNS which is over, that is ns1vercel.dns.com. So what you have to do is, you can do it this way. You can just have to copy this and you will go over here. So as you can see here, the btech.in, the domain which I have bought, it is there. So now you can go, what to do is you can go over the domain overview. You can see all the changes which you have over here, DNS name server. Now you have to go to the name server, and what you have to do is you have to click on the change name server. There might be something different in your name server over here and over here, but what you have to do is you have to click on this Vercel DNS over here. On the first one you have to paste the first DNS over here, and you have to again copy the second one, and then you have to paste it over here. And after that, what will happen, you just have to save the changes. You will have to save the changes, and your website will be live over here. So as you can see, now what we'll be doing is we'll be going to the website over here. So this is the btechguy.in, and let's check out the website over here. So as you can see, this is the website which I have created, and it is live currently, and the domain which is there, that is the btechguy.in, which we have bought. Okay, so you can, like, it is redirecting from here, it is redirecting from the Vercel. And if you want to see the project in Vercel also, you, what you can do is, you can go on the project. Okay, let me see the deployments over here and projects. If you want to see that, okay, so here you can see it has two domains over here, and also now what happened is, the Vercel domain which was there is not there here right now, and what happened is the domain which you have connected in your project, that are being shown over here. Let's say in the btechguy.com and the btechguy.in, both are redirecting to this website only. So after the configuration which you have done to Hostinger over here and the naming server name servers, so you will be getting your website redirected to that domain. So this was how you can deploy your website completely on a production level to your own custom domain. And if you like the video, guys, do like the video and share video as much as you can. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching. This was all for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, tata, bye bye, good night.